Today I'll be making a tier list on every color in Yeeps. I forgot to color the tier list, but also, I'll actually be coloring it in front of you guys for extra content. Just kidding. But I'll just skip to when I'm done. So I'm done coloring the tier list. So here's what we got. So we got red, which is S. We got that green, which is B. We got that gray thing, that is C. We got this grass green, which is D. You got this color, which is F. Periwinkle is F. And then we have this. This is, why did they add this? Whoever added this should be fired from trash. Well, now I'll be rating these colors. So first off, we got this. Also, this will only be the colors I own. So you got this. Now this, it's okay. It's like a B tier. It's B, right? Yeah, B, okay. B tier. So now, let me just get different. Okay, so next color is red. So you might be thinking, oh, red is just the default color. No, it's not. It's the best color ever. This thing going straight in the S tier. Red is my favorite color. Red is the only acceptable color. Next we got orange. Knock off all red. Get it out. Give me this. Yellow. Well, actually, I'm in the bottom that's from. Let me just check the name. Oh, sorry, I should probably fix my outfit. But it's called light yellow. Honestly, Bun's name. Because of its name, it's going. So S A B. Come on, C tier. A B wait A S A B C D and then that's okay. Whatever, I got the things wrong. It's fine. Okay, so that's S A B C. Okay. Now next we got brown, or the default color for wood. It's like a staple of all building because it's the default color of wood. Put that straight into A. Pretty solid color. Could be better though. We got dark brown. This is actually the ocean biome, but it looks really good sometimes. But it's really just a darker version of that one. But I'll have to cut some slack. I'll give it. Yeah, I'll give it both. It's like in between, you know? Okay, makes no sense. I'll put and B. So next, we got darkest brown, which is actually, I don't know. I didn't use it. I forgot. But it's just a darker brown. Darker the worse. Put this in periwinkle tier. I hate periwinkle. And then now we got green. Green. Money. So that's going in S tier. S tier. So yeah. So now we got this green, which I nicknamed the knockoff lime. Oops. I nicknamed this the knockoff lime. It's just knockoff lime. Put that there. Now we have the worst knockoff, or that's the right one. We have the worst knockoff lime now. It's worse. now we have this, the dark green. The original green that like pretty much everyone gets as their first green. It's a staple building. Oh. You. Okay, so now while I'm up here, I'm gonna do these up here. So now we have this. I respectfully put it here where it belongs. So yeah, now we got this one. It's literally similar to this one. I wasted so much buck coins getting those. Now we have this. The essay. C tier is very popular. All these colors are really mid. Now there's this. Now this is going in B tier because that's what the B tier color is. Also the colors in which the colors that whatever the color that it is goes in the color that it is unless I placed it weird. Well, now I'm not moving down. So next color is this purple. It's a better periwinkle. I'll put it here. Or actually, that thing's in though. It belongs there, so I'll fart. Okay, so next, this. Just a reskin, exact same one. Now the next color is periwinkle. Get this out of here. Get out of here, periwinkle. Oh my goodness. So it seems as if C tier is a little popular. Pink. You know what this pink reminds me of? Owner pay. Okay, periwinkle tier. I forgot what periwinkle was. It was D. Yeah, it was D tier. So this. Actually, it's just the worst white. And I'll own white, so that's all I got. It's just a darker version. He tried harder, but it didn't work. Okay, now he's black. S tier goes perfectly with red. Fart. Next, we are getting into the glowing. This is this tier. Well, now we have glowing green. I hate this color. It's way too bright. Okay, now we have glowing orange. It's like glowing red, but worse. I'll cut some slack and give it this tier. A B tier. Oh. Whatever. Then we have glowing red. I love glowing red, glowing red, glowing red. You know what, in fact, I'm gonna make glowing red its own category. This is the best paint ever. Whoever at Trash Games added this, they are the best. I love them so much. They are my favorite Trash member, and they're just so cool. Okay, now we have glowing purple. So, yeah. Now we're going to do some honorable mentions. Lime green, that goes in, A. Void, that goes in S tier. I love Void. It goes so well with glowing red. It's perfect. Light orange, it sucks. Put it down there. And so that was my color tier list. I made this entire thing. Yeah. That'll be it. Now that's the color tier list. Now here's me destroying all of it because this is my little playground for videos. Okay, well that's it.